How we doing, everyone? Welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a quick mail Alexia. It's a minier version. Customer brought this unit in because it says the pump was not always pushing water through when turned on, even though the reservoir was fully primed. So initially we thought it was a pump issue, but then after diagnosis we realized it just needed a tune-up. The gaskets in the brew group and the group head weren't in great shape, so it was having problem building pressure, but we replaced that, ran the D-scale process on the machine, and now she's working like a charm. So let's run the shot. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.